In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, there lies a chasm so profound it seems to pierce the very soul of the Earth. The Mariana Trench stretches across the seafloor, a yawning void spanning approximately 2,550 kilometers. A distance longer than the entire width of some countries. Imagine a journey where you drive a straight road for 1,580 miles. That's how long this trench runs. But it's not just the length that captivates. It's the astounding breadth. On average, the trench spans 69 kilometers across. This might sound narrow, but think of it this way. It's like standing on one end of a city and peering out to the other side, realizing that the entire city sits above a deep and silent abyss. And within this colossal trench lies its deepest secret: the Challenger Deep. Venturing here, you descend further and further until you reach an astonishing depth of 36,070 feet, almost 11 kilometers. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. For comparison, most ocean life lives above a depth of 660 feet. Nuclear submarines hover around 850 feet below the surface as they travel through the ocean waters. Whales aren't usually seen below about 8,200 feet. The site of Jack and Rose's true love, the sunken Titanic, can be found at 12,467 feet. According to National Geographic, if you were to put Mount Everest at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, its peak would still sit around 7,000 feet below sea level. The Mariana Trench is the result of complex geological activity. It formed as a result of a collision between two enormous tectonic plates: the Pacific Plate and the smaller Mariana Plate. The Pacific Plate is being pushed under the Mariana Plate in a process known as subduction. As the Pacific Plate is forced deeper into the mantle, it forms a deep trench in the ocean floor. To uncover the secrets of the Mariana Trench, scientists use advanced submersibles that dive deep into its shadowy depths. Guided by onboard lights, these vessels capture images of mysterious sea creatures and the trench's landscape. From the surface, ships send sonar waves that help map the trench's contours. Additionally, specialized rovers sift through the ocean floor, collecting samples that offer insights into this hidden world. The Mariana Trench, being the deepest part of our planet's oceans, is full of intriguing and remarkable facts. Here are some fun tidbits about this underwater marvel. Deeper than Everest is tall. The Challenger Deep, the Mariana Trench's deepest point, is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. If Everest were placed in the trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. Pressure cooker. At the trench's bottom, the pressure is a crushing 8 tons per square inch. That's about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Unusual inhabitants. Despite the extreme conditions, life thrives in the trench. Scientists have discovered bizarre creatures like the ghostfish and amphipods much larger than their shallow water cousins. Human visitors. Fewer people have reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench than have walked on the moon. Notable figures include Jacques Picard, Don Walsh, and filmmaker James Cameron. James Cameron, director of the 1997 film Titanic, was the next deep-sea explorer to follow. He piloted a submersible, one that he personally had helped design, to about 35,787 feet, 10,908 meters, setting a world record in 2012. Earth's sounding line. The term Challenger Deep is named after the HMS Challenger, which first measured these depths during its expedition from 1872 to 1876 using a weighted rope, a technique known as sounding. Not just water. The Mariana Trench isn't just filled with water. Dense layers of a sludgy substance made up of marine organisms remains blanket its floor. Some layers of this sediment are over 10 meters thick. Plastic in the depths. In 2019, explorer Victor Vescovo found what appeared to be plastic litter during a dive to the bottom of the trench, highlighting the extensive reach of human-made pollution. As we resurface from the enigmatic depths of the Mariana Trench, we're reminded of our planet's vast mysteries waiting to be discovered. From towering mountains to the deepest abysses, Earth never ceases to amaze and inspire. If the Mariana Trench has taught us anything, it's that adventure, discovery, and wonder can be found in even the most remote corners of our world. Thank you for diving deep with us on this underwater journey. Remember, no matter where we venture, be it the heights of space or the depths of the ocean, our planet's tales are as boundless as our curiosity.